Hey, history kiddos! Are you ready to learn about a real-life protest that involved ships' disguises and a whole lot of tea? Today we're diving into the Boston Tea Party, a moment that helped spark the American Revolution. We'll explain what really happened, why the tea got dumped, and how it shook up history. But before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your classmates or homeschool crew. The Boston Tea Party took place on a cold night in December when angry colonists decided they'd had enough of British taxes. The colonists weren't just mad about tea, they were upset about being taxed without having a say in British government. The British passed the Tea Act, giving the East India Company control over tea sales. It made tea cheaper, but colonists saw it as a trick. To keep their identities secret, protesters dressed as Mohawk Native Americans, even though they weren't actually native. No one was hurt, and no weapons were used. But the message was loud and clear. We won't take unfair taxes. They threw 342 tea chests into Boston Harbor. That's over 90,000 pounds of tea, worth millions today. After Boston's protest, other colonies started holding tea protests of their own in places like New York and Charleston. In response, the British passed the Intolerable Acts, which are laws meant to punish Boston by closing the harbor and taking more control. The Boston Tea Party helped the colonies unite. It led to the First Continental Congress, where leaders began planning for independence. The Boston Tea Party didn't just dump tea, it dumped the idea of being ruled unfairly. Within 2 years, the Revolutionary War began. And there you have it, 10 facts about the Boston Tea Party and what really happened. It wasn't just about tea, it was about freedom, fairness, and standing up for what's right. Thanks so much for watching History Kiddos. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this episode. And don't miss our next one. See you next time for more big moments in small bites.